Hey guys, I'm Zena. Welcome back to my channel, and if you don't know me, I teach you how to make delicious plant-based recipes from the comfort of your home. Today I'm going to be showing you my absolute favorite breakfast, brunch, or really anytime vegan dish. It's this vegan chickpea shakshuka. Shakshuka is a Middle Eastern dish that usually consists of a red pepper and tomato base topped with soft baked eggs, but today we're replacing that with a chickpea-based vegan egg. If you're new to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe so you don't miss any new vegan content. Your support is really what keeps this channel going so I can keep providing you with delicious recipes. Now let's get into it. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Then prepare your veggies. I'm chopping parsley for the topping and dicing red peppers and onions for the base. Dice your tomatoes too if you're not using canned tomatoes. Next, we will prepare our chickpea egg batter. Into a large bowl, add chickpea flour, nutritional yeast, baking powder, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, turmeric, and paprika. And then just go ahead and whisk your dry ingredients together. Then add almond milk and a splash of vinegar. Whisk until the batter is smooth and no lumps remain. Once you've whisked it all up, you can set this batter aside for later. Heat some oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Then add your diced onions and bell peppers. Sauté until the veggies are soft and the onions are translucent. Then add cumin and stir to coat. Once the veggies are soft and aromatic, you can add in minced garlic. Followed by diced tomatoes. and tomato paste, and then add paprika. Add salt and pepper and then let it thicken. If it gets too dry, add some water. Once the consistency is to your liking, make wells in the tomato sauce for your chickpea eggs. Drop a dollop of the chickpea batter in each of the wells. I ended up making about 6 wells around the pan. Once you've added all your chickpea eggs to the pan, put a lid on it so the eggs can cook through. After a couple of minutes, remove the lid and start scrambling the eggs slightly because the bottom can cook faster than the top. This way you can make sure that all parts of the egg get cooked evenly. Return the lid and cover for a few more minutes to make sure they're cooked through. Then, drizzle the top with some olive oil before putting it in the oven for about 10 minutes. I like the top to get slightly crisped. Now, I couldn't resist but trying this creation in front of you guys because it really is so delicious. So let's try it right now. Ooh. Caught some tomatoes and the chickpea egg. Wow. So good, you guys. I know you're gonna love this recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved it. If you did, make sure to subscribe and like this video so I know that you loved it, and I can't wait to see you next time.